These buildings have been submerged. These ones have been submerged. This is a story building. That's a story building. This is a mosque already submerged in water. I passed here earlier this week, and I could see this. I thought I had seen it all, but this one, even right now, I'm seeing something I've not seen before. The last time I passed here, I thought the place was flooded, but now it is over flooded. Imagine the vehicles. If you are not careful, you are going right inside the river Niger. That's the truth. If you don't take care, you go straight into the Niger. And the swimming flow it has currents also. It's not as if it's just water that's somewhere. It has currents. That means if care is not taken, it can push any vehicle into the sea. Imagine.